So PBSA is the Professional Background Screening Association. So it's a global organisation, started in the US many moons ago, now has chapters in US, Canada, Europe and Africa and APAC. Europe and Africa is what I represent. The association is trying to advance excellence across the screening industry. So everything from educating end clients on what good screening practices look like, to helping our members, background screeners, innovate, stay lawful, and really be the best they can be for our end clients.
I believe that industry collaboration is really important because standing apart is easy and we've done that very well, but working together to shape the future of the industry is much, much harder. Zinc's already redefined how modern screening can achieve faster, better, safer screening, but working together we can really increase confidence in consumers, in employers, and in regulators as well by introducing new standards and new benchmarks in quality background checks.
Good question. So our biggest challenges at the moment is how and where do we implement AI. So most businesses are using it for their back office functions. It's a really big conversation about how it gets used within background screening. For the nature of what we do and the kind of data we're dealing with, it's tricky. It's a tricky one to navigate. So I think the whole industry as a whole is talking quite a lot at the moment about where are the right places to start automating processes that have traditionally been human-based, and where do humans still have a role. So the more obvious one is to review a report. Having a human do that at some point is pretty well considered across the industry as the right thing to do, but where that line is, I think is what we're talking about at the moment as a whole industry.
So I think the most interesting kind of conversation point that I'm really excited about is talking a lot about tech-driven innovation, particularly automation and the use of AI in background screening. I think it's a super exciting space at the moment, and yeah, I can't wait to hear what other people's takes are.
I'm excited to join the committee because I've been in the industry for 7 years now, and I've seen a tremendous amount of evolution, but we're at a point now where there's the real change happening and we're at that point. So I'm excited because now we have that dedicated space and a voice to help influence that change moving forwards rather than just reacting to it. The biggest opportunity is having a seat at the table, you know, to truly forge ahead with the DBS and be involved in real change. At Zinc, we aren't just following the rules, we're breaking the ground with the technology that we're using every day. And being a part of the CRTB means that we can share those practical tech-first insights directly with the DBS. Because we have a huge amount of resources and a tech-first mindset, we can propose innovative ways of working in the industry that just hasn't seen yet. It's a chance to move beyond to the theoretical improvements and actually present proven, high-tech approaches that offer genuine enhancement opportunities for the entire screening landscape.
So I think the most important change that the industry can have, and this is actually Luke's grand vision rather than mine, but I still think it's the most important thing, is reuse of candidate data across different employment. So we have these candidates that have verified information with trusted providers, and ultimately they should be able to kind of port that from job to job. It makes it a hell of a lot easier for candidates, and it also means instant results for recruiters. So anything that enables that vision, I'm massively supportive of.
Zinc joined the PBSA for one simple reason, and that is if you care about the future of screening, you need to help shape it. Zinc's already shown the way in terms of what it can do to help modernise the industry, and now's the time to bring that fresh perspective to the table and help move the industry forward.